So it's a holiday weekend in BC. It's a long weekend today, so I have decided to take the day off and spend a little bit of time in Mother Nature. So I am at the University of British Columbia Research Forest, and we're going to go on a little adventure on the Yellow Trail and see what we can find. Should be nice. I had a good beach day yesterday, and now today I'm going to commune with nature. So many bugs. Oh my god. So this thing is called a steam donkey. There's no donkeys evolved apparently, but it's called a steam donkey. So here it is right here. No climbing on the steam donkey. Don't do it. So apparently this used to help them with logging and stuff like that, and they used to haul trucks up and down the mountains on these things. Super dangerous. Not a job I would ever do, but it's a pretty cool machine. And look at that, Vancouver, BC. Very, very cool. And it says, so this was found in the forest, and it was restored in 1975 by the graduating class of 1975 UBC. Very, very cool. It's really great to have pieces of history like that restored and maintained for us to appreciate. Okay, so change of plans. We went to UBC Research Forest, and there was like a gajillion bugs, and I'm not exaggerating. It's an actual number. And there were that many in the forest, and we got eaten alive, so we turned around. We didn't even have bug spray, so that was super no bueno. I don't know why we didn't have bug spray. So we stopped at my friend's place and we grabbed the bug spray, and we are now at a place called Raleigh Lake. We're going to attempt a different forest and see how we do with bug spray, and hopefully it'll go better. And then on the other side is a beautiful beach over there, where we are going to finish the hike and hang out and cool off and go for a swim. And I am wearing my bathing suit, so I am good to go. Parkour! So we came down, okay, hold on a second. So we were up at the top of that dirt mound over there. It was such a beautiful view down to this dirt road, which I've been many, many times. And then we crossed that little bridge right there. And now we are going to Raleigh Falls Trail. So I think there's something about falls that's gonna be happening. We'll see. I don't know. We're gonna go this way though. Look, Mother Nature made a little staircase. How kind is that? Like as if that's a real thing. So cute. Raleigh Falls.
from Ontario. Everyone's got brand new shit. Hi, I am something. Oh.
So we finished the hike. The waterfalls were not the most exciting thing, but it was a good hike, and it was good to spend some time in Mother Nature. And we are finishing the hike at the lake, which is absolutely beautiful and peaceful. And I will show you what it looks like. Nice little relaxing day adventure if you want to do a hike with a nice finisher, chilling at a beautiful lake in the sun to relax and cool off afterwards, go for a swim. Definitely check out Raleigh Lake in Maple Ridge. It's fantastic. It's got a bit of everything.